In this video, I am going to show you the best TikTok ads tutorial. I am going to show you how to run TikTok ads in South Africa. My name is Ayo. So if you're new to this channel, kindly hit the like button and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification icon. It's going to go a long way on helping this channel, right? Giving you free things. You understand? Have you been looking for a way to target international countries using TikTok ads like USA, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Mexico, and even your own country which you live? I am going to show you in this video, right? Running ads to international countries. If that is your goal, you need an ads manager that is created for you, customized for you, verified with your business details and your country, right? I can help you get this ads manager. All right, all you just need to do is message me on WhatsApp using this number. Drop me the country you are chatting from. Let me know that you want a customized, customized TikTok ads manager for your business, right? Verified for you. I'm going to do the verification for you. You don't need to submit too much details. And if you want to access me on video call, you are free, because we don't do games here. As a newbie, once you make any mistake and your TikTok ads manager is being banned, it is very difficult to get a TikTok ads manager that can target internationally, right? It is very, very difficult to get back on it again, because your IP address and your computer kind of network is going to be blacklisted. You can chat this number and I'll get you an ads account that can target internationally if that is your goal. And one thing that make this TikTok ads manager very professional, be able to target people who love to shop on TikTok. That is, people who have been, using their card to buy something on TikTok, gifting a lot of TikTok live performers, people like celebrities, right? You'll be able to target those people, show you how to use this feature, and by so doing, you'll be able to target high quality people who love to use their card to spend online, so they don't need to wait to see you one-on-one to do business with you. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to ads.tiktok.com. I'm going to type it on the screen, and so you can have a clear view of the URL. Now, once you go to ads.tiktok.com, I've been able to create an ads manager for a client here, right? Like I told you that I can help you to create an ads manager, and as you can see, this is a new ads manager. Welcome to ads manager. We can see something like actions recommended to us here, which is set up payment details and create your first ad. And note that this ads account is created for someone in right in Nigeria. Right now, the same thing if you are in South Africa, if you are in Ghana, if you're in Cameroon, then this same ads account can be created for you, but I will have to use your particular country, tailor it to your particular business, and create the ads account for you. Now, listen to me very carefully. If you can see my screen right now, I'm going to paste a screenshot on the screen that shows business center approved, which means that this is not just an ads account created for you, because just anybody can just hop onto the place and try to create an ads account, but they end up getting banned. If I click on campaign, right now, when you get to campaign, this is a step by which you're going to be following in order to create your first ad, right? Trying to promote your business, services, or the type of content you create. So once I click on campaign, you're going to be seeing the list of campaign you've been able to create here. Now, for this account, we also know that this account is very fresh and new, so we've not created any campaign before. So the next thing we're going to see on the screen is we're going to see something like create here. Now, once we click on create, now one thing you have to put behind your mind whenever you are trying to create a campaign for the first time, or whenever you want to create a campaign, is that you need to have a goal. Now, what is your goal? Your goal, is it your goal to get more sales, or to get just more more eyeballs on your videos, which is more views? Is it to get more followers? Is it to get more interactions, more comments, more likes, more follows? Do you understand? So you have to have a goal behind every campaign you are creating. So we are on the next page right now. In order for us to see the full objective here, we are just going to click on switch to full version, and we click on confirm right now, and this will give us the professional and original way of the ads manager. That is the original way this ads manager shows all their metrics. You can see under awareness we have reach, right? Under consideration we have traffic, video views, community interaction, app promotions, lead generation, sales. So let's say for this tutorial, I'm just going to click on community interaction as an example. Do you understand? Because I do not have a website I want to use as an example for this stuff, and I do not want to put just any website into the ads account of my client. I respect them a lot. Do you understand? So now once you click on community interaction, then you click on continue, right? You're going to see that continue button. Then you're actually going to get into the next page. In this ad set level, you are going to be seeing different kind of options. This is where your targeting is going to take place, the placement, the bid, the budget you want to use, and so on like that. Do you understand? So we are waiting for it to load. Now you can see this. You can see under this placement we have TikTok, right? And if you click on advanced, you can either choose to show people's comments under your ads, and I will advise you leave that on because of social proof, right? Then you're going to see something like allow video download, allow video sharing. Do you understand? So just leave that, right? It can as well help you get more eyeballs on your ads. And you're going to see under this targeting, right, you're going to see demographics, which is location. Now I'm going to click on this pencil icon beside it, and you're going to see we have Nigeria as a location here, right? So let's see the list of locations we can as well get on this type of ads manager, especially if you are trying to target international countries like Mexico, United States, UK, and so much like that. National countries listed here, like up to 30 of them, right? More than 30 of them. Let me click on it. You're going to see it. So you can also search any location you're trying to target when I create this ads account for you, or when you have this type of ads account. And you're going to see something like age. Of course, you do not want to target 13 to 17 type of age range. You don't want that. These people are kids. 18 to 24 maybe, do you understand? But 25 to like 54, these are the people that they are making their decision independently, like they are already doing something to make money, right? So in the gender, you're going to see something like all male, female. So you can choose to target either male or female or all. So in the language, then you can choose to click on the language, click on this language, then choose English. So whatever language you want to choose, just make sure you choose. And I'm going to see something like detailed targeting, right? So if I click on this pencil icon, you're going to see interest, targeting, search interest, and behavior. So you can target in this place by video interactions, creator interactions, hashtags. You can use hashtags to target, right? And under this interest, we have different kind of categories here, whereby you're going to see different kinds. So you can just play around it, select the targeting. If you want me to create the targeting for you, just chat me and I'll select a rich targeting for you. Do you understand? So I'm not using any. So let me just select business services, right, for as an example, right, and interest. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go down and you're going to see something like spending power. This is what I'm talking about. So ensure you click on this high spending power, so you can be able to select people who have a history of using their card to purchase something through TikTok. Do you understand? So that is that. Then under this device, you can decide to target people who are using iPhone, only iPhone or Android. You can decide to save this audience by clicking on save audience, and you're going to name your audience whatever you want to name it and save, right? So the next thing you want to do is your budget. Now the reason why you can see Nigerian naira here is because I am in Nigeria and my client is in Nigeria. Do you understand? So if you're in South Africa, Ghana, or Cameroon, I'm going to create an ads account that comes with a currency that you can easily pay from where you live. Do you understand? So for a daily budget here, I'm just going to say maybe 10,000 naira every single day, right, for a day budget. Do you understand? So daily pattern, right, I'm going to leave all this like this. Then the optimization goal, then I would choose follow if I want more followers, or TikTok page visits. So I just want this because when I click on TikTok page visits, people can decide to send me a message, DM me, and do whatever they want to do, watch more of my videos and buy something else from what I'm trying to advertise. Do you understand? So that is that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue. Then once I click on continue, you are going to be redirected to the ad group, not the ad set, ad group, where you are going to set the identity for your ads, the video you want to use, connect your TikTok account, and publish your ad before payment. Do you understand? So it's still loading, and let's wait for it. So I'm going to click on got it, and you can see this identity, a TikTok account is here. They are trying to tell me if I want to use this TikTok account connected to that email, right? And I'm going to leave that like that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I could choose a TikTok post. You're going to click on TikTok post, or you can decide to click on video and upload from your computer, right? You upload the video, select a video, and the video preview